today we're gonna get those fish we caught night fishing the other day and get them on the grill. So stick with me. All right, first thing we're gonna do is rinse them off. Get all that slime off of them. This one looks like he got in a fight because one of his eyes is destroyed and got a big gash here. Maybe a gar or something attacked him. You just never know. We'll get the slime off here and then we will start scaling them. And you don't need to scale them if you're gonna fillet them, but if you're gonna leave any of the skin on, you want to scale it because the skin is really good. If you like the skin, if you're going to use the skin, there's a lot of natural oils in there that are really good for you. So I'm going to scale these and cut them up, cut the heads off, get the guts out. I'll probably not film that part just so I'll get kicked off the platform, but we'll get back with you as soon as I get these ready for the grill. And like I said, we caught these the other night in my night fishing live stream, so check that out. Went out there with my older son and backlash fisherman. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, we got the fish all done. Got the guts out, most of the blood out. A couple of nice pieces of fish there. Let's try and grill them, shall we? I think I'll just put some butter, some seasoning in it, and call it good. Cook them real slow on the grill. Let's do it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is slice up little pieces of butter and stick those inside. Those aren't gonna stay in there, are they? So maybe I'll wrap them with the foil. Okay, so we got the butter in. Now we'll just take like some standard seasoning salt. Season all. Get all over those. Inside. So normally I'm a little anti-cooking in foil. It's just not the healthiest thing to do all the time. But sometimes I make an exception. We're just gonna wrap each one of those up. And that butter will melt. Fry it up inside the foil. It'll be awesome. You never know if it's the dull side out or the shiny side out. Who cares? Okay, there we go. Let's get these on the grill. All right, we're just gonna put these on the top rack for now. Cook them slow, and we'll move them to the bottom later. All right, let's take a look. Maybe I should have brought a hot pad. the butter crackling. That's a good sign. Alright, I'm gonna go get a hot pot. And sorry for the noise, but everybody's playing in the pool. This is not gonna stop us, is it? Alright, here we go. Let's see. Let's see what's going on in here, shall we? Oh, look at that. It's basically done. Skin stuck to the foil, which is fine. Butter's still bubbling. Alright. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, so we'll just let that cover off for a few seconds. And then we will consume. See if I can get a good shot of it. Alright, time for the big reveal. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect. I'll take it out of the foil inside. Why do I have my fork in my hand? No idea. Okay, let's go inside. So here it is, got it off the grill. Let's take it in, and I should be able to pull most of the bones out all together at the same time. That's why I like to grill it and not deep fry it. So let's take a look. So you might hear a little bit of noise because I like to use fans to keep the flies out of my business when I'm working with food out here especially. So most of that should come right off the foil. There's a big rack of bones we'll keep out. Ooh, it's hot. Some luscious white meat. Again, this is white perch. For those of you who didn't watch my live stream. Ow, ooh, that's super hot. That's all right. We got this. Okay. Sounds pretty good. Put that in a ball so the flies can't mess with me. I'm just gonna pull this entire row of bones out. And it peels right off. Well, for whatever reason, my phone was overheating, so I threw it in the freezer, and now it's still complaining about the heat. I don't know how much of that you saw, but I want to show you again how awesome this is. So, see this? Just peels right off the bones. See if I can zoom in for you. Watch this. See, on a fried fish, you'll never be able to do that. So now it's just about peeling it off the foil, which is kind of hard, so most of it will stick. However, there's a stray bone. Most of the bones are going to stay with the skin or the backbone. Let's try that. Oh yeah, super good. These ones are kind of stuck. So yeah, just slid with the bone, with the way the bones are pointing. You can peel it right off. Alright. Nothing else in there. That's good. Throw those in there. If you're wondering why there's, oh, the red, you can't see it. There's salt all over my stove top because I just had to take care of some flies with the salt gun. Alright. So, this one, see how I'm just peeling it right over, following the direction the bones are going. Comes right off. Boom. And that one I got some skin, so that's awesome. So we'll just take the last. Perch have a lot more bones than trout, so most people don't mess with them, but so I just need to get these ones out. I'm just gonna work my finger down there. Gotta get all that meat out of there. And then you're just gonna kind of work your fingers through and pull all the bones out. It's kind of more pain, more of a pain than some people are willing to put, more hassle or effort required than most people are willing to do. So I don't think a lot of people actually keep perch. You can see all those tiny bones. Doesn't ever hurt anyone. It's good stuff. Try some of that skin. Not bad. Well, now the rest is just eating it. So I pulled out all the bones. Got about, nice little whatever is left that I didn't already eat. But I got most of the bones out. And now I'm gonna eat it. So I won't bore you with that part, but thanks for watching. I'm gonna eat this and get back in the pool where we belong. I don't know if you can see how bad I'm sweating, but time to get back in the pool. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. See you in the next one. See you later.